everyone, welcome to Glam Forever. I'm Ayushi Gupta. So in this video I'm going to show you how I cut my own hair and blow dry it. So first we are going to spray our hair with water because if our hair is wet, it gets so much easier to cut them. After that I'm detangling my hair with small comb and make two equal partition of my hair. Look at my hair, it's such long and now it will cut soon. So I'm made two equal partition of my hair and bringing it forward, and after that I'm taking a scissors and combing it again. So let me just down my camera so easily you can see my hair. So I'm combing my hair and gather it with my two fingers. If you cut this on a horizontal layer, it will go on a U shape. If you cut it diagonally, it will go on a straight. So I'm cutting it diagonally just like it and just cutting it from the below. As you can see, it is diagonally. If you didn't understand for the first time, I'm saying it again. If you do cut horizontally, it will go on a U shape, and if you cut it diagonally on from front, it will go straight from back. So I'm cutting it diagonally. If you want to measure the same length as you did it on the other side, first measure it just like it I'm measuring, and after that cut your hair just like it. I'm cutting my hair and bring it forward. So just it's done. Now I'm cutting my bangs. As you can see, first from the front make a triangle just like it. Make a triangle and comb it so well as much as you can. I'm so afraid and I will lose my hair. Really afraid, but I have to. So I'm cutting it like this. My god, I don't like it. I just don't, or I like it, or I love it so much. Okay, but I did lose my hair. Now I'm taking again all the hairs of my bangs and I just mashed it. I'm so in excitement, so I just mashed it and point cutting it just like it you can see, so it will give a texture to my hair. Now it's done. Look at my hair. Oh god, I love it. I really love this. Now it's time for blow dry. Now first we are dry our hair and make it filmy as much as we can. I love being filmy, and this drying method gives me a man character feeling and I love it. As you can see how much I'm enjoying this, but we have to move on. Now from onwards you have to watch it and learn it, because it doesn't have to explain this, because it's just you have to watch it and learn it. I can't explain it with this. And because I'm not pro at doing my own hair, I'm pro at doing other hairs. I love to blow dry other hairs because I love to haircut, and I'm not doing for myself because I like my curly hair, so I don't do too much of blow dry on my hair, but I love doing to other people's. So please watch it and learn it as much as you can.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. the phone every night. Love to hear your voice, not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing.
So now look at my bangs and my hair. It's perfectly blow dry, and as you can see how much I'm looking awesome in this. If you like this video, if it's a little helpful for you, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never ever miss any of my updates. If you like my videos a little bit, please like it, and I will happy to help you more than that. So that's it for today's video. See you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay glam, and thank you so much for watching. I appreciate this. Thank you so much.